Hey everyone, in this video I'll make a candy tray. So I'll start off by folding my paper in half lengthways. I'll rotate the paper around and do the same here. Unfold, then use each outer edge and fold these in towards the center vertical crease. For the next step, I need to divide the inner section into eighths. I'll bring the edge to the uppermost crease on the other side. As I unfold, it's a little bit inaccurate, but it's not going to affect the finished model too much. So I'll make sure that I meet that crease mark with this fold here. I think I've got more success with this one. Beautiful. So I'll keep doing this with the other edges. So once I've done that, I should have a grid in the middle of my paper. Then I'll grab the corners and I'll fold these in towards the center. I'll flip the paper over, and again I'll fold these corners in towards the center. Then I'll fold these corners out to the edge. I'll flip back to the other side, and this is the open part of the tray here. I will fold the flap backwards like so, and then I'll fold it back over on itself. I'll double this over, just being mindful of that triangle underneath. It's a little bit slippery. although I'll unfold and then refold going back and forth like so. Repeat these steps on the other 3 flaps, and there's one more thing to do after that, so don't run away just yet. The extra detail makes it really eye-catching. At the moment this is really flat. I'm going to open it up and give it some shape. So I'll put my fingers inside these little pockets in the corners, and I'll gently pinch the middle of those triangular sections to give it that shape and the depth of a little bowl, which is what I want to achieve here. So you can see it's starting to open out, and then for the remaining corners, last little bit of shaping, and then I'm finished. I'm pretty happy with that. Time to fill it up with some goodies. Hey again, thanks for watching this video. I have so much fun making all this content for you. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you're on the lookout for origami paper, click the link down below. See you around soon.